iron oxide and chromic oxide. It's called chromate ore. Okay, first you have to take a chromate ore, then sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. It's a white mass. Usually it is used in detergent, for making the detergent. Okay, then you should pass the air in the process of 900 to 1000 degree Celsius. Okay, these three reactant, the process of this temperature, the mixture have to be taken in reverberatory furnace. Reverberatory furnace. Now, so what are the products are obtained? So we can get sodium chromate, Na2CrO4, that is sodium chromate. The color is yellow. Then the byproduct Fe2O3, iron oxide, is a rust. Then CO2. Okay, I repeat. So three reactants we have to take. One reactant is a chromate ore. Chromate ore formula is a mixture of the two oxides, iron oxide and chromic oxide. Then white mass we have to add, that is a sodium carbonate. Then input we should supply the oxygen, output we can get the carbon dioxide. Okay, in the presence of 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius, the main product sodium chromate and the rust Fe2O3, then CO2. Okay, the first equation is unbalanced. So how to balance this equation? Okay, first we see the iron. Iron, left side only 1, right side 2. So you put a 2 here. Then you see the chromium. So coefficient is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 chromium is here. So the right side, okay, put 4 chromium. So chromium is balanced. The third, sodium is here, 4 into 2, 8 sodium. But here only 2. So put 4. Now the sodium is balanced. Okay, then finally you see the carbon. Okay, carbon, how much? Here 4 carbon. So here carbon only 1, so I put 4. Okay, the last element is, that is the oxygen. Oxygen. So right side we see the oxygen. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19, so 4 into 2, 8. 19 plus 8, 27. 27. Here we see the oxygen. So 1 plus 3, 4. Different 1, 2. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 here 4 into 3, 12. So 8 plus 12, 20. So we need remaining 7. So I put 7 here, 7 by 2 we can write. These two cancel. So the balanced equation we can write like this. So here 7 by 2 is given. So we have to make a whole number. The whole equation, left side and the right side, so must be balanced with should be multiplied with 2, right? So we can get 4 FeO Cr2O3 plus So when it's multiplied with 2, you can get 8 Na2CO3 plus, when it's multiplied with 2 means 2 to cancel, so 7O2, then we can get, so 4 into 8 Na2CrO4, the color is yellow, then here 2 Fe2O3 plus 8CO2. Okay. Here, this first equation, we get the main product is a sodium chromate. Next, the main product we should write again. Main product we should write again because the chromium is present here. So Na2CrO4 is treated with sulfuric acid. What's the formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. H2SO4. Okay. Now the second equation we can get sodium dichromate. What's the formula? Na2Cr2O7. Then the byproduct. So we can get a sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate. Then water. Okay. Now we see these two unbalanced equation. For balancing this equation, we have to see the sodium Na2. Totally 4 sodium is here. So chromium also 2. Okay, just I put 2 here. Now you can see the equation is balanced. Okay, the oxygen is 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. Here 2 into 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So remaining hydrogen, sulfur, sodium, chromium, everything's balanced. Okay. The second main product, it is a sodium dichromate. The sodium dichromate color is orange red. Okay. Now, what compound we have to prepare? Potassium dichromate. Okay. Again, we have to write from sodium dichromate, we can prepare the potassium dichromate. So, main product is a sodium dichromate. Write again. Na2Cr2O7 combined with the potassium chloride, another one salt. So it's oxidizing agent treated with the salt, potassium chloride. So we can get potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7 plus NaCl. Actually, what happened here? The cation here Na2, here K. So both ions are exchanged with each other. So for balancing this equation, right side we see the potassium is 2. So you put 2 here. So chloride is 2 here. So I put 2. Now you see the sodium here 2, left side also 2. The equation is balanced. So the final product, so potassium dichromate, the color is orange red. It's a crystal. Okay. Now we repeat. For preparing the potassium dichromate, you have to take a chromate ore. Chromate ore formula is a mixture of oxides, iron oxide and chromic oxide. Then we should add a white mass. This is sodium. Carbonate usually is used in the detergent. Then input we should pass oxygen. Okay. The presence of 900 to 1000 degree Celsius. Which furnace we have to take? The reverberatory furnace. So the process name is a gravity separation process. gravity separation process. Okay, so what are the products? We can get a three products: sodium chromate and iron oxide, we can say ferric oxide, then carbon dioxide. Okay, how to balance this equation already I explained. Next we can see the second equation. After balancing this equation, we can get the second equation from the main product sodium chromate to sodium dichromate. So when the sodium dichromate is obtained, when the sodium chromate treated with the sulfuric acid, we can get a sodium dichromate. So byproduct we can get it sodium sulfate and water. Okay, we just neglect the byproduct, and the main product we can take orange red sodium dichromate. So finally is treated with the potassium chloride, we can get a orange red crystal. That compound is required. Okay, then the byproduct sodium chloride. Okay, thank you.